Hey y'all, we're back with another Faux and Fabulous Friday. And if you haven't been watching these, where the heck have you been? The wigs have been eating lately. I'm just saying. The wigs have been eating since the start. I might be biased. I tell a joke, but I never tell a lie. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Sensationnel. If you want all the details, how I installed it, how I got it looking so freaking good, make sure to stay tuned. All right, y'all, this is Sensationnel's 360 Butta Lace Unit 5 in the color 2. I don't know what's been up with me in 360 wigs lately, but I have been on a roll. The curls on this wig are so pretty. The frontal comes pre-plucked with baby hairs, but y'all know we love an edgeless install on this channel. There's basically no parting space on the wig, but sometimes I like that because it gives me less to think about when it comes to an actual install. I'm still trying to convince myself that 360 synthetic wigs are worth it because they always look like this in the back. Like there's no space to pluck. Now let me know if you've tried any synthetic 360 wigs and if you like them. Drop your favorites in the comment section or let me know if you're having the same experience that I am. I feel like I never show this, but make sure to moisturize your hair under these wigs, y'all. Yes, sometimes I forget, but these are protective styles, so you have to make sure that you're doing your due diligence to actually protect your hair. Now, even though we don't have much parting space, with the little bit that we do have, we're going to plug in a widow's peak, of course. I feel like this eliminates the need for baby hairs, one, because it actually looks like my hairline, and two, because I pretty much pluck out most of the edges that it comes with, but that's neither here nor there. And this is what it ends up looking like, super natural and very realistic, which is what we're going for. If you want to know what the wig is going to look like, make sure to hot comb it all down or hot comb the front all down just so you can see where everything will lay. I remember back when I first started installing synthetic wigs, I barely used heat. Now I turn my hot comb all the way up. Not really, but all the way up and get that thing laid down as flat as possible. Now, y'all, if you don't have any pinking shears to cut your wigs yet, what are we doing? What are we doing? Because if there's one thing I want y'all to take away from these videos that I do is that pinking shears are the GOAT when it comes to cutting lace. Like, are we looking at the same screen? This looks so good and we haven't even done anything yet. I did end up pulling out some of my baby hairs at the end because the wig was just a little small on me. This could have been due to my braids being on the bulkier side, but whenever this happens, I just glue the wig behind whatever hair I took out, and you'll see what I do with it in a second. To glue my wig down, I'm using Eben Sports Edition spray, and I use about 2 layers. Once that was dry, I went over with some spritz to get everything melted. Now, once that's all dry, I'm going to comb the edges that I had pulled out back into the hairline, so it basically hides the lace and makes everything look kind of seamless. Then we're going to tie it down with an elastic band, and this I actually bought at the fabric store. I think it works a lot better than the ones that wig brands send because you can make it super, super tight, like tight to where you can't even feel your head anymore. And this is what I mean, y'all. Like, look at this. Like, no words. No words. Okay, so now it's time for the finishing touches, making sure the part is flat, combing out the hair, defining the part, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna just let y'all watch this. Y'all, I don't know if I should cut this or not. I don't know. I feel like it looks fine without cutting it, low key. But I know cutting, you know, layers always add a little razzle dazzle, a little something. I don't know. I think because it's just a weird like curl. I'm gonna just cut it. That's sad. I don't know if the other side gonna look this good, but we gonna try. You're gonna try. And this is the final look, y'all. Now, make sure to keep watching for my final thoughts on this hair. Spectacular. Give me 14 of them. I'm finally finished installing this wig. This actually took a lot longer than I thought it was. I feel like I was like 2 hours max. I started at maybe 4. It's 9:20. I didn't even do a ball cap. I just threw her on. And y'all know I don't even do that for real. I'm about to start doing that for the synthetic wig series because it's too much to be doing a ball cap. And sometimes they don't be staying. The last time it didn't set. So, okay, for pros, definitely easy to install. 1. I mean, how many other pros do you need? I will say it was very easy to install, very easy to pluck, very easy to tint the lace. The lace is definitely giving. I always feel like my makeup makes it look like it's not giving, but it's giving. I promise you. I promise you it's giving. I really, really enjoy that the lace is not like a 13x4 or 13x6. Not that I don't appreciate those. Look at me relaxing. I never relax in my little chair. Let me sit back. I feel like whenever it's a 13x6, I'm so tempted to do all these things. I really like this hair, y'all. I think the only thing that I was not a fan of is because of the curl pattern, the cutting was like a lot harder than I feel like it normally is. Like curly wigs is hard for me to cut because I just never know like where the sweet spot is. And then cutting one side versus the other is always so hard for me. Okay, so as far as the 360 goes, I did not lay down the back or the sides because this wig is huge, y'all. Like I know I got a big head or a small head. I have a small like head space like back here. Back here is small. My head is actually big. But girl, it was too big. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, the back is not down. I'll show you how the back will, just for shits and gigs. And it's crazy that the wig was too big in the back because it was too small in the front. I don't even understand how that works, but yeah. I don't know, the synthetic 360 wigs haven't done anything for me. Like I feel like the regular wigs is fine. Like you don't need to do 360. Y'all don't have to get into that. But I will say the full lace one, I did really enjoy that wig. Y'all can see that in that video right up there. We're not even getting to that. I really like this wig, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. If you liked what you saw, and I mean, hello, thumbs up this video. If you guys want to purchase it yourself, make sure to hit the link in my description box down below. And yeah, definitely share this with your friends because the girlies need to know. Fall is fastly approaching and this is a great fall wig. Just saying. Just saying. It's a good summer wig too, but fall, when the back of your neck is cold, yup. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.